Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. I have uploaded a new lecture today after a long time and I would appreciate it if you could watch it till the end. I hope you will gain some valuable insights. I would also like to request you to subscribe to my channel Surgical Technologist. Let's start. Today's video focuses on a neurosurgery instrument, specifically the Hudson base. This instrument features various burr perforator including cutting and diamond burrs, and it's designed for creating burr hole in the skull to facilitate craniotomy or craniectomy procedures. Watch carefully as I demonstrate how to prepare and handle this attachment. If you would like to more context, I have previously uploaded a detailed lecture on neurosurgery instruments. You can find the link in the description. That's all for today's lecture on neurosurgery instrument, that is Hudson based. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.